winners sa mga nanakit po ng randomizer again, please proceed to the photo lobby and look for our staff na may hawak na placard ng Lucky Bloom winners later on. Now, let's go to P. Malone!
Randomizer?
Nag-randomizer. Okay, are you ready for your question, Pini Maloy?
I'm born ready.
Okay.
So, Aloy, your question is from Georgette Portus. In an alternate universe, let's say you're not part of Beanie, but rather a bloom. What kind of bloom will you be, and will you show your love and support to Beanie?
If I am in an alternate universe, I think I will be a kind of bloom that has a kind heart, and ititrato ko yung Beanie as humans. That's it.
Thank you so much. Thank you. Grabe, ha? That was a heartwarming answer. Maloy, thank you. Eto na. Another half of Makulet. Pini, ilang po, Pini! Hola!
Hindi ko talaga kaya
Kamadali lang itong question na ito. From Jose Maria Christian Dairy, what's an activity that you were only able to do on your Beanie Bus that you weren't able to do normally?
Okay. Aside sa mag-sort kami ng gift, kasi sobrang sikat ng bus namin. Matulog kami ng straight 12 hours. Yeah, walang alarm, hindi kami ginigising. Gigisingin lang kami, nasa venue na kami. Yeah, so, guys, okay na yun. Naglilito ka, hindi na ako makapagsalita eh, na-jet lag pa. Pero yun, makatulog kami ng 12 hours, like legit 12 hours. Kahit umalog yung bus, wala kami nararamdaman.
Grabe. Actually, I was telling the production, Direk Lauren and the girls, yung mga nakakagawa niyan, yung mga pop stars, superstars sa US.
Mga big stars na katulad ng Beanie!
Yes, diba? Our superstars right here.
Star ka ng star.
No, never. Especially to us Blooms. Definitely, we got our superstars right here on the stage. Thank you. Thank you so much.
Thank you. Winner's life.
Thank you. Oh, ito na. Ito na siya. So, pinag natin our next candidate, Pini Sheena. Dito mo, grabe na, Ramon of Asia Arena. Ang tanong, Sheena, kaya ba ba?
Sabi ko paharap.
Paharap lang.
Ang ganda nun.
Nag-world tour kami, so kailangan rin ready for entrance.
Yes.
Okay, Sheena, are you ready for your question?
Yes.
Okay, your question.
From Jana Marido. Out of all of the songs that you performed during the world tour, what was your most favorite and why?
My favorite song to perform is Pantropico. Pantropico is my baby, and yun na kasi yung last song. So sa Pantropico, sobrang full out na namin. Pantropico. Yes, yun lang. I love Pantropico. Sobrang sarap ng sayawin. Nag-world tour kasi iba yung choreo mo sa ibang part. So, it's something new. Thank you!
Gina.
And last but not least, Stallion fans, sumigaw para sa ating police candidate, Dini Saizu! Yung wala hanggang dulo, diniretso eh. Bini Stacy, yes?
Aray mawari na tour ka naman. Eto na, from Jessie Marie Infantili, siya became talaga favorite of course during sa tour ninyo. What is the inspiration na gawin itong playful vibe and how did international audiences react to it?
Thank you so much, Mama Mimi, for that wonderful question. Of course, we're very honored and grateful to be able to represent Filipino culture around the world. And it makes us super happy because, you know, Shaggy is not just a song or a game. It is something to be proud of. And we're very, this song allows us to share the beauty of the game. You know, shaggy, shapopo. Gusto ko sa'yo, kung di mo kaya to, sisimplihan ko pa para makagaya ka. Di ko kami susundan na, pero would you get dance like this?
Grabe, no? Very emotional. Emotional talaga.